All right, I want to help you use the Today feature for Prospector the best you possibly can in your 14-day free trial. So I'm going to show you the way I use it and see if that helps you to create more of your professional insight social post and engage with your ideal customers in order to book more meetings. So every day that you log into Funnel Amplified, you're actually going to be on the Today tab. I'm using my good friend Howard Wolowitz here as an example. What I do is I actually start with social. So I'll come down here and click social. It's going to take me right down to the social posts page. You can see your stats here from previous posts. What I like to do is I click create a social post. And if you have not added any other feeds, this is a good opportunity to do so. We preloaded 2 feeds in there just as an example. We've added ours and we added TechCrunch. If neither of these mean anything to you, you can just come over here and click remove feed. And if you want to add a feed, I highly recommend grab your corporate blog and add that feed, and then go find a few different blogs that are like industry news and information that is relevant to you and therefore to your customers, and add those feeds. Just click the plus sign here and follow the prompts and add those feeds. Then when you have those feeds coming in every day, and what I highly recommend is write down questions that your customers have asked you in the past or asked you yesterday. It doesn't really matter. Write down those questions and then come in here and search for articles that speak to that topic. They don't have to be perfect answers to that topic, because you're going to read the article and then you, from your personal experience and your insights, are going to answer a few questions, and Magic Writer is going to magically turn that into a social post for you. So search, find an article. In this case, I'm just going to use this one here. Let's click read article. It will open up the article. And then as you learned when you signed up and set up, click the Chrome extension, click create a social post, choose the magic path that makes sense to you. I use answer a question most often. Answer the questions and let it magically create your social post, and then share it to your favorite social media networks. I highly recommend starting with at least LinkedIn and Twitter. If you only have LinkedIn, totally get it. Start there. And here's my recommendation. Do at least 2 posts per week, more if you want to, but do at least 2 per week to really, really maximize the opportunity of doing so. Okay, now that we've done that, what I want to show you is on the Today feature, you also have engage. That's a second thing that I do, and I usually do both these within an hour a day in the morning with a cup of coffee. Click on engage. You may find that yours is blank at this point. It means you skipped the process of creating an engaged list when you went through the sign up. Not a problem whatsoever. Come up to the top here, click the question mark, search for engage, watch the video on how to create your engaged list, and then watch the video on how to add your prospects to your list. Then every day, what's going to happen for you is you're going to get a list here of you're going to get told what list of people you need to engage with today. Simply click the launch button, go to their social post or to their post activity, and comment on posts that they've commented on, or comment on posts that they've liked. Or if they're actually creating posts, go comment on posts that they've posted. Here's why it's so important. Then I'm going to let you go and get back to work. The reason it's so important is because right now you are an unknown person to them. When we engage with them socially, they see our picture, they see our name. And if we do that a few times, then what happens is we move from being an unknown person to being a known person. This is extremely beneficial when it comes to sending out your connection requests. We see anywhere from a 40% or more increase in accepted connection request with your ideal customers when you go through this process. There you go. You're all set. Welcome to Prospector. If you ever have any questions, go to the bottom right corner. There's a chat tool right there, and we would love to help you be successful with Funnel Amplified's Prospector. Go have a great day and go be social.